Hey guys, so today I've got my final Halloween haul to show you. This is my fourth one, so the other three I will link down below in case you missed any of them. I do have a clothing and makeup Halloween haul which I'm going to upload next weekend, Halloween weekend, but this is just a general like house items and stuff like that kind of one, so I'm just going to get straight into it. So I'm going to show the biggest items first, like always, just so I can kind of like move them out of the way, and then I'll show the smaller things after. So the first things I got is two of these big cobweb shaped rugs. These are kind of like a copy or a dupe of the Sourpuss ones, which are really expensive. These were from Shein or Shein or Shein, whatever you want to call it. You can tell they're like not as good quality. The cobweb doesn't go to like the corners that it's supposed to go to and has like a weird white edge around it and stuff like that. But these are just really cheap. I just got them to kind of throw around the house. This is the larger one and it was about £10, and they do one that's like a little bit smaller, maybe comes up to about this size, and that one is I think £6 or £7. So yeah, I just got some of those. The next thing I got was also from that website, and it is the Cobweb Bedding. Now, I've not put this on yet and I don't really want to get it out to kind of like show you properly, but basically it's just a duvet cover and a pillow cover. Well, I think there's two pillow covers in there because this is the king size. These weren't that cheap, honestly. I think it was like £29 or something like that, so not the cheapest, seeing as that's quite like a cheap website, but it does look really cute though. I've heard it's really good quality and it has like a zip across the bottom instead of buttons, which is a lot easier. So that is some cobweb bedding. Next, I got these cute little bowls from B&M. I got these with the intention of when we're carving pumpkins, like to put the guts and stuff in here. So I got this one. It says, "I put a spell on you." And I also got this one, which looks like this all the way around. And then there's also some sweets in here. I just thought I'd throw this in because they're Halloween, I suppose. We don't have candy corn and stuff like that in the UK, so we do have to buy these off more expensive websites. I have been eating these already. I got some of the Mallow cream pumpkins. I got some Sour Bright candy corns. These ones are my favourite because there's a grape flavour in there. And I got some normal flavoured candy corns. And I also got this cute little Chucky, Curse of Chucky sweet tin. It's just got like a 3D picture of him on the front, and then it's got these little candy knives in there. So that is all of the sweets that I got. Next, if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen that me and my boyfriend went to a horror convention the other day. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put it down below just in case you want to see. But we grabbed these. I know they're not really Halloween items, they're horror items, but I thought I'd put them in anyway. So these are just some prints. We got this Good Guys Chucky one. If you remember in my old videos at the other house, I had the Scream, Pennywise and Halloween prints behind me sometimes. These are from the same company. So there's the Good Guys Chucky one, this Annabelle one, and this Texas Chainsaw one. So I don't think they sell online anymore, unfortunately. They just do conventions now, but those are three that we got. Next, on that same day, we also grabbed these from Aldi. It was super lucky. They sold out crazy fast and I've not seen them since. These are the Halloween Squishmallows I picked up. I just got two, the skeleton and the Grim Reaper. Literally so cute. I love him. This one is called Otto. He's got his little sparkly scythe there, and this one is called Flory. She is like the kind of the same as the grey and white one that I got last year, but just a different colour. So they are the two cute little Squishmallows for this year. Next, from Asda, I got this very creepy little doll. Usually at Halloween time I do end up getting a creepy doll from one of like the food shops every year. Last year it was a doll that pulled her head off. This year she is on a rocking horse. She does sing and her eyes light up and she moves, but obviously I can't really do that while holding it. So I will post a little clip now of what she looks like and what she does when she's moving. But this was £15. So this is what she looks like when she isn't moving and doing her own thing. Next, on the topic of dolls, I got some creepy little guys from a company called Thana Toys. So that is them if you want to go and check them out on Instagram. And this is what the big one looks like. Super, super creepy. I can't tell how he does this. I'm going to assume it's maybe like 3D printed or something, but it's absolutely amazing. He hand makes these himself. And then like little hands and the little tiny shoes. So, so cute. Has a little dress on. Absolutely love it. I've got a thing for creepy dolls and stuff. I don't really know why, but I just think they're so cute. Like, that is adorable somehow. So yeah, that's from Thana Toys. And there's also this little guy as well, which I love. He is so, so cute. Just like a creepy little bear. This one is a hard one. So yeah, they are gonna go into the horror room along with the rest of the dolls and stuff. Now we're on to kind of the smaller things, I guess. So next I have this. This was from Marks and Spencer's. Everybody went absolutely crazy for this. You couldn't find it anywhere. I think I went to like 3 or 4 shops literally just to find this one. It's basically a biscuit tin. It's metal. It was £5, which is such a steal. It's got cute little ghosts and pumpkins and stuff on there. And a little back cutout window at the top. Each side has something different on it. This side says keep out, little witch and stuff. So yeah, like I said, this is a biscuit tin. It does open at the bottom, and then it has 2 packs of biscuits in here. So these are shortbreads and they're ghost shaped apparently. I've not opened them yet, and I don't really want to open them because I'm not going to eat 2 packets of biscuits on my own. But it also lights up, which I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see on camera, but there's like a fake candle down here, and in the dark it like flickers and stuff. Again, I'll maybe post a little clip here of what it looks like when it's dark because it's so, so cute. But for £5 with 2 packs of biscuits in it, this was amazing. So that was from Marks and Spencer's. They do still have these, by the way, so if anyone wants this, they are still available. So there is that. Then next I got this. Now when I saw this on Instagram, it was an American page that posted it. In America these are sold in like Target and Bed Bath & Beyond, I think it is, for like $9.99. Super, super cheap. It is a mini waffle maker and it makes the waffle in the shape of a spider web. I wanted it so, so badly, and they don't sell them here in the UK, so I did have to get this off a pretty expensive website. It cost me like maybe 3 times the amount that it would have cost in America, but I love it. It's amazing. I'm so excited to make cobweb shaped waffles. Literally after this video I'm gonna go buy like the stuff to make waffles and make some of these. So yeah, little cobweb waffle maker. If you're in America, this is in Target and it's crazy cheap, so I'm very jealous. But yeah, that is that. Next is some of the cheaper items. So from Poundland, we have this cute little rubber duck. If you saw my videos last year, I did also get some then. I got like a skeleton and stuff. This year we just have a little pumpkin guy, so he was £1. I just thought he was cute, so I grabbed him. This bowl is from a shop called One Below. I've never been there before. It's a bit messy and kind of like, I don't know, like, it's just not great quality, honestly, but it was £1.50, and I don't know, I just thought I'd grab it because I liked the shape of it and stuff, but now I've got it, it is a bit messy. I could repaint it maybe, but I don't know. But that was £1.50 anyway. And I also got 2 of these bowls from Home Bargains. They're just cute little orange and white sort of cereal bowls. I can't remember how much these were. I think they were maybe like £1.50 each or £2 each, something like that. But it took ages for me to find these. For some reason, some shops in the UK didn't get them in, so mine got them in really late. But yeah, they're really cute, cheap little house items, so I got 2 of those. Sticking with the house items, I got another cup. I actually got this off someone on Facebook because I couldn't find it anywhere, and it's not the best. It does have some like little scratches and stuff, but it's so cute. This was originally from TK Maxx. It's just got little ghosts all over it, and then it's got this little like 3D ghost here. I think these were like $3.99 when they came out, but like I say, I couldn't find it anywhere, so I did swap a Ray Dunn candle on Facebook to get this because I thought it was really cute. So I just need to kind of fix the scratches and stuff, but that is our little ghosty cup. Then I got these from TK Maxx. These were $5.99, and it's just some like little wooden utensils, and they all have different Halloween-y prints on them, so I'm not sure if it's really going to show up through the netting on camera very well, but this one has bats on it. The next one has skulls on it. I don't know if you can even see. Then we've got cobwebs, little ghosts, and skeletons at the bottom. So they're just kind of like burned into the wood, I think. I'm not sure how well it's going to stay on there after you've cooked with them a few times and stuff, but $5.99 for 5 different wooden utensils. Pretty cheap, so I got those. Next, I got this from a lady on Instagram. I absolutely love these like metal tumblers with the lids on. I use them literally every single day because I put a lot of ice in my drink, and this keeps the ice from melting really fast. So this is a Child's Play Chucky tumbler. And it came with a set of straws and a little straw cleaner, and her name is Maya Creations on Facebook, Maya Creations 21 on Instagram, and Maya Craft Art on Etsy. So that is her stuff in case you want to go and have a look. I will put it in the description as well, but that is my little Child's Play tumbler, which is really cute. And she also sent these 2 like little freebie kind of things, which is really cute. 2 lots of wax melts. They're not Halloween themed, but I just thought I'd show you because that was really nice of her. So there is a coffee cake one that looks like this, and a cupcake one that looks like this. They both smell absolutely amazing. So yeah, that is the tumbler. And then I've only got a few things left. I feel kind of sad that like my Halloween hauls are over. I love doing these. So next I have a candle. This is a DW Home candle. It's vanilla cupcake scented. It's a really cute little ghost. This was $7.99. Smells amazing. There was actually a giant version of this, which I think was maybe like 20 or 25 pounds, a really big one. I just thought the little one was cute, so $7.99 for this guy. That was the last candle I bought. I've bought so many. I buy so many every year and I don't need them, but yeah, that is the last Halloween candle that I've got. Then I got this from Poundland. I kind of regret buying this. I have no idea where I'm going to put it. It's just a little tea light holder. Metal, looks like a spider. It was £1. So yeah, there is that. I got 2 of these little ghost guys from Poundland as well. Last year and the year before, the shapes of these bottles were skulls. This year we have little ghosts. And then the little lights come on inside there. You can move these around as well if they're not positioned very well in there. Oh, I've made a mess now. But yeah, for £1, I just thought he was really cute. Even if you take the cork off and like use it as a little jar or something, he's very cute. So yeah, Poundland, little ghost light up jar. Then my friend actually got this for me from TK Maxx. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. I don't know how I feel about it. It was only £4.99. I think it's supposed to be like a candle holder. It's a crackled sort of glass with spiders and cobwebs hand painted on there. I don't know if it's just cheesy or if it's nice. I'm not too sure. So you'll have to let me know if you think I should keep this or if I should just sell this, because I don't know how I feel about it. But that was from TK Maxx anyway. And then the very last item that we've got for 2021 is this cute little guy. He was from Aldi. This is a real succulent in here. And then just a little pumpkin pot. It was like £2.50, I think. They have done bigger ones in the past. I remember a few years ago I got a bigger one, which is somewhere in here. But yeah, I couldn't resist for £2.50. So that was everything in this Halloween haul. Like I said, this unfortunately is the last one for 2021. But next weekend I do have a clothing and makeup Halloween haul. So I suppose that kind of makes up for it. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Anyway, you'll have to let me know what you thought of all these things, if you had a favourite. Like I said, I'll put all the information down below for everything that I can, and my Instagram down there as well, in case you want to go and have a look at some of the horror stuff that we got last weekend. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.